featuring Selena Gomez. We don't talk anymore, but we're talking all the way through to 12 o'clock today. Brian here at ASB Polyfest, the 50th anniversary celebration at the Monaco Sports Bowl. Praise the Lord, after 3 days of torrential rain, the sun has finally come out. And how appropriate, we are joined by two sunbeams, and Emma as well as Teuila, NCEA Pasifika. Good morning, ladies, and thank you for joining us today.
Morning.
Yes, hey, it'll be good. What villages or islands we're representing today?
I'm from Tonga in New Zealand.
I'm from Pasifika and Levili in Upolu, Samoa.
Very good. Firstly, Emma, let's start with you. An overview of the tent, your stall, and what's on offer today.
Yes, so we're from NCEA, the New Zealand Qualifications Authority. We're representing our NCEA Pasifika workshops. We've got a lot of resources about NCEA, specifically for our Pasifika and our Māori whānau. So come and check it out.
Our focus is just supporting our families in that, just to get a better understanding of NCEA. So part of the work that we do is that we run workshops in schools, communities, and that, just to get our families to have a better understanding of NCEA. These are all free. Find us on Instagram or Facebook, and there's a QR code that you can just, book a free workshop. So come on, whānau, let's get a better understanding of NCEA, and we're here to support you.
Good. Of course, today we have so many young people performing on the different stages around ASB Polyfest. Teuila, the importance of education, and specifically for Pasifika.
Yes, absolutely. And just in case if you weren't aware, you can earn credits through performance as well. So, with Polyfest, not only just learning about culture, but you can also your culture, but you can also earn credits. So, check with your schools or come have a talanoa with us.
Yeah. I wish that was available when I was growing up, but yeah. Anyway, that's going to about 40 years. But anywho, ladies, for yourselves, have you ever competed? Did you ever compete in your younger days at Polyfest? And if so, for which school?
Oh, no. That was a long time ago. Selwyn College.
Oh, go to Selwyn. Okay. Nice.
But no, we weren't performing back then.
Teuila?
So we're from Wellington, and I went to Wellington Girls, but it was much smaller there. We had a Polyfest, but it was, this is going back many years too, so.
Yes. And I went to Aotea College. So Aotea College, I just want to highlight that. Wellington Girls is okay. I went to Aotea College. I just want to make note of that. Awesomeness. What's the message today finally to our communities coming down today to check out everything happening at ASB Polyfest, ladies? What's the message?
Cool. Don't forget to come and check out our tent. We've got drinks to give away. We've got t-shirts. We've got packs on NCEA. It's a great opportunity to come learn. And if you've got any questions about it, come and ask us. We've got, Teuila and myself, but we've also got Sean and Picky, who are part of the team, eager to talk to you.
Nice. Teuila?
Just enjoy the performances in that and have fun. The sun's out, but please do come visit us if you have time.
Very good. Teuila, Emma, NCEA Pasifika, come and check out the tent, and coming up before 10 o'clock, I think we're just rolling these telenoas up until 12 o'clock. A very big thank you to our friends from the Whānau and the Cause Collective in partnership today with 531 PI's live broadcast from the 50th anniversary celebration of ASB Polyfest, and we're also live on our Instagram page. Joseph, one of our young tiki extraordinaires, so that's good. Ladies, thank you so much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. It's 22 minutes away from 10. We're going to get back into the music now with Pasifika. People together.